Hello, today you're looking at a JWI 9 cubic foot air over hydraulic filter press brought to you by Lanco. It's been fully refurbished with new plumbing, as you can see on this side. Great working condition. We'll get that going for you in a second. Comes equipped with 28 gasketed plates, 630 millimeter. Overall dimensions is going to be 132 inches length, 41 inches width, 56 inches high. Max filtration is 100 psi. Between the legs is 98 inches. Cloths and gasketing can be added for an additional price when purchased. We'll get that going for you right now. If you're interested in this unit, feel free to give us a call at the office. Phone number here is 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.